This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rami Salem. Beautifully renovated 3/2 farmhouse style, pool home on almost 1 acre in Gainesville, complete with an artist studio, workshop/barn and large greenhouse. This home is move-in ready and features new luxury vinyl plank flooring in all living areas, renovated kitchen with new stainless steel appliances. Granite kitchen island opens to the family room with views of the 1 acre yard and pool area and renovated bathrooms. 2021 roof and newer windows. Huge covered patio with a screened and heated pool that makes it feel like a vacation place. 2-car carport for covered parking. No HOA. Great schools and save money with Clay Electric. Less than 1 mile to Tioga, easy commute to the University of Florida, Shands Hospital and Santa Fe College. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity and call today to schedule a showing. For more